5, 4, 3, 2. What's up, YouTube? And as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing my box braids for the first time. And y'all see how thick my hair is?
I said, bitch, where?
Let's just pray this goes right. So what? Now I'm about to go wash my hair, and I'm about to wash my hair and condition it, and condition it, and blow dry it. So let's go ahead and get into that video right here. Okay, so I just got done washing my hair. As you can see, I wrapped my hair in the t-shirt, so I'm about to take that off. I guess you're supposed to wrap your hair in a t-shirt because it's better, especially if it's 100% cotton. It's better for your hair. It doesn't break it off or anything. But as you can see, there's that mess, that thick, not mess. My hair is very beautiful, but it's very frustrating. But that thick, I don't know if it's kinky. I really don't know what type of hair I have. I just started going natural, guys. But yeah, it's real short. I just cut it, so it has grew so much since I cut it. So I'm happy for that. Short hair. So I'm just gonna keep combing through it in different sections, different ways. That basically gets my hair detangled because it's not too thick where I can't just like get through it. So yeah. I'm about to blow dry it. So I wanted to blow dry my hair since my hair is shorter, and for me to get the braids, I want it to be kind of neat. So I want my hair to be blown out, so it'll be easier for me to grip and stuff like that. Instead of having my natural curly hair, it's gonna come out looking a mess. I'm holding my roots, so when I'm blow drying it, because the comb on my blow dryer is very small, so it's gonna detangle that as well, at my hair as well. But I don't want it to be like pulling my hair out of my head, so that's why I have that. But you guys, I guess you guys could just sit here and watch me blow dry my hair. So I just finished blow drying my hair, and I'm about to put some black castor oil in my hair because it's really kind of dry. Why is this music still playing in my ear? I do not like that. So yeah, I'm just about to rub it through my hair everywhere because I don't want it to be dry while I'm doing it in these braids. So yeah, yeah. Y'all see how thick that thing is? I'm probably not getting none of. I'm trying to make sure I get like, especially the middle of my hair, because that's the most coarse part of my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Looks so dry in the mirror, Like, I was just like, why is my hair so dry? But right now I'm about to put some hot growth, I think that's what it's called, on my edges all around. So like I rub it into my edges so it can like grow. I'm gonna rub it into the back of my head because the back of my head is very short. So I'm just gonna rub it around the whole perimeter of my head so like it can stay and grow. I kind of like rub my edges in a certain way so it can like already be trained to lay down. So that's what I do. Cause if you train it, like if you put conditioner on and do your edges the way you want, it'll train it to go that way. I think I'm gonna put it up here. What's up, guys? I'm back, and this is in the morning. So yeah, I just woke up. So I'm just about to. Hey guys, I'm back. So basically, this was a fail. Not fail. Epic fail. Epic fail. So I took the back out and I'm about to do my up style. I don't know if I should braid it or not. Let's see. So I feel like I really don't have to.
No, you don't. You be getting water in my face. That's not how you wash people's hair. You get water in your face. That's not how you wash people's hair. You get it inside their hair. You got it in your hair. Okay, let me open it.
Check this out.